When you think of a dehumidifier, you probably think of an appliance that helps remove excess moisture from the air to prevent mold and mildew growth. But did you know installing a dehumidifier in your home has many benefits? Let's look at some of the benefits of dehumidifiers. Reduces allergens in the air. One of the benefits of dehumidifiers is they help reduce allergens in the air. If you suffer from allergies, installing a dehumidifier in your home reduces the number of allergens in the air, making it easier for you to breathe. Reduce condensation. One of the most common problems caused by high humidity is condensation on windows and walls. When the air is saturated with moisture, it condenses on surfaces cooler than the air, such as glass or metal. This condensation can lead to water damage and mold growth. A dehumidifier reduces condensation by removing moisture from the air, creating a drier environment less likely to cause condensation. Improved air quality. High humidity also leads to musty odors and dust mite infestations. Musty odors are caused by mold and mildew growth, which thrive in humid environments. Mold and dust mites can cause respiratory problems, like asthma. It's essential to keep the air quality high, especially if you have infants or elderly family members living in your home. Installing a dehumidifier helps remove musty odors and reduces dust mite populations, improving air quality. Reduced energy costs. Running a dehumidifier reduces your energy costs. Since humid air feels warmer than dry air, you might be tempted to turn down your thermostat to compensate. However, this will only lead to higher energy bills. Dehumidifiers help remove the extra moisture from the air, making it feel cooler and reducing the need to lower the temperature. Extended life for your home. Your home can also be damaged by high humidity. Wood materials, like flooring, furniture, and trim, can swell and warp when exposed to excessive moisture. Paint and wallpaper peel and blister in humid conditions, and drywall can weaken, sag, and crumble. These problems can be expensive to repair and even require completely replacing certain materials in your home. A dehumidifier can help protect your home by reducing the moisture in the air. Keeping humidity levels at a comfortable level, you help extend your home's life and avoid costly repairs. Fewer pests. Pests like cockroaches, ants, termites, and rodents are attracted to moisture. If your home is humid, you will more likely have an infestation. Reducing the humidity in your home makes it less inviting for these pests. In addition, if you do have pests, they are easier to get rid of if your home isn't as humid. Reduced risk of mold and mildew. Mold and mildew thrive in humid environments and cause several problems, including respiratory issues, skin irritation, and allergic reactions. In addition, mold and mildew can damage your home, causing peeling paint, warped wood, and crumbling drywall. A dehumidifier creates an inhospitable environment for mold and mildew, reducing the risks. Healthier plants. Too much moisture can be harmful to your plants. While they need water to survive, they can suffocate and drown in too much of it. Excess moisture in the air encourages mold and mildew growth, harming your plants. Using a dehumidifier helps create the perfect balance of moisture in the air for your plants, keeping them healthy and happy. Installing a dehumidifier provides many benefits for your home and your health. By reducing the amount of moisture in the air, you create a more comfortable environment and avoid problems like water damage, mold and mildew growth, and pest infestations. If you struggle with high humidity levels, consider investing in a dehumidifier. For professional help with your indoor air quality, contact SERVPRO of South and Northwest Grand Rapids at 616-622-9700. We're always here to help.